Thank you for tuning in to LLC with Ty. That would be me, Twana Yvette. And today we are doing a part 2 on the questions you ask all the time. So y'all come on back. I'm in line right now at Starbucks because I got to go ahead and start off this weekend, baby. Ooh, another lovely weekend. And y'all know what I'm talking about, right? You gotta get it, you gotta have it, right? Oh my goodness, so we starting off this day. I am in line right now. We are gonna go ahead and get that Starbucks. I gotta get my favorite, but we gonna come back to y'all in just a minute. We rolling to the park, y'all, okay? How y'all doing? What's going on? So I just wanted to chop it up with y'all, just take a few minutes and just share. Okay, shout out to Miss Gloria. Thank you, Miss Gloria. She had to ask. She was the first to ask me. So what happened in episode 1, right? Whoo, y'all. Okay, you ain't gonna believe it. I still don't believe it. But hang on, I'm getting sidetracked because this is part 2 of the questions y'all ask all the time. So let me get right into it. What do I do for my skin? So let me just say, it is not nothing extra special like this little guy right here. Oh, hell no. Give it a good scrub. Yeah, that's me for sure. Every now and again, I'll do a little gentle cleansing, but for the most part, no. I go ahead and get it in, okay? That is what I do. Again, nothing over the top, nothing extra. I keep it very simple. Oh, and to note, lots of water. So you soda drinkers, you know, which I am, I do that sparingly every now and again, okay? Don't overdo the sodas, all the sweets. So, of course, my every now and again, right? Okay, where was I before I was rudely interrupted by my peeps? Wanted to switch positions because they getting hot. The sun is, of course, changing positions as it's going down slowly but surely, bringing this beautiful day to a close. But back to the point at hand. Okay, so no harsh chemicals. No, I don't use a lot of this and a lot of that, right? Definitely a good scrub for sure. I do that more often than not. The gentle kind of, yeah, I go in, go ahead and exfoliate, get that dead skin off, right? And Dove, okay? Don't forget, that's one of my favorite. I swear by it. And again, lots of water. I do have my treats, okay? We back at that. I have my treats, but not a lot of sodas. I'll treat myself every now and again. I don't overdo it, sparingly. So once or twice, maybe 3 times a week, maybe. Depends on what's going on between a soda, a coffee, tea, things like that, that, you know, kind of got the sugar thing going on. But for the most part, it's water. And the juices, I try to do the healthier juices, you know, natural. Not the ones that's, you know, added sugars and all that. All of that's just really, it's bad for you in every which way, right? So lay off of those, and you'll see, for sure, it's gonna be a healthier road for you to take, not just for skin, period, healthy, okay? So that's a major question I get a lot and have gotten that for a very long time. What do I do to maintain my skin? So that's what I do. Other question, number 2. My peeps making sure I don't get them on camera. They don't know I might sneak it in real quick while they not looking. No, I'm not. I'm be good. Okay, next question. Weight, okay? Weight. Notorious, right? And the older you get, it does not get any better. I promise you that. Listen, it's not a myth. That is real talk. When I say 100, it is not a myth. It is so hard to get off weight at an older age. All right, so let's get into it. How do I keep off the pounds, okay? The quarantine pounds. Oh my God. Well, let's just keep it real. I stay active. Let's just be honest. It is gonna be super hard to do if you sit around a lot, if you're not mobile. And I don't care if you can't even use your legs. Move your arms, okay? You know, move your neck, you know. You gotta stay active. All right? That's first and foremost. And then again, she's struggling. And then again, you got it? Doing good.
You got it.
All right. And then again, gotta encourage them.
I love it.
Oh, yeah. And then, okay, so staying active. Another thing, I keep an eye on, you know, if I'm doing bread, I'm not doing potatoes all in, you know, one sitting. I might have a slice of whatever, as far as a good piece of sourdough or something like that, with a meal. But then I'm not gonna order potatoes or have some pasta, you know, all those starches in, again, one sitting. Those are so cool, right? So, and then, so like I said, keep it active, keep moving, keep mobile, and pay attention to, you know, how you putting it all in when it comes to the carbs. The starches for sure, those are so bad. The breads, the potatoes, the rice, all of that, you know, in one sitting. You got to spread it out. That's just really it. It's about portion control. My major cutback, here's how it unraveled. In college, I was doing or had to do a paper, and we had a handful of topics that we could choose from. I chose the topic on meat consumption. Ooh. Boy, oh boy, did I find out a whole heap. Which, of course, as I would, I had to do the research, right? So, in doing that research is when I learned so much about meat consumption, FDA, what's approved, what's not approved, what matters, what doesn't matter, blah, 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 still gets approved. That really ended the way I consume meat. So, long story short, now I literally eat meat as a treat. Okay, what do I mean by that? 4th of July rolls around, right? I'll have me a sausage. Let's see, Thanksgiving, maybe a family member made some barbecue, something like that, you know. My cousin would always make some barbecue wings or something like that. Even though Thanksgiving, yep, he would make them, I would have one or two. Same thing, Labor Day, Memorial Day, you know. Maybe an aunt made some good ribs. I might have one or two. But for the most part, my meat has turned out to be like zero throughout the year. For me, it's salmon, wild caught. It's, I'll do some whiting, definitely some shrimp. But I'm very sporadic about the shrimp, because for the most part they are yeah, where they're raised, how they're raised, it's pretty bad, pretty funky. So anyhow, so I keep an eye on all that, again sparingly. I keep it on the low. I don't overdo it. I do treat myself. I have a good time. I enjoy what I enjoy. I'll have an ice cream, you know, I'll have a slice of cake. I just don't do it every weekend. I don't even crave sweets like that, so that's a good thing. I have that on my side. A lot of people, they crave sweets. That's not me. So again, active. I watch the ones that's bad for you. I have them every now and again, and that helps me keep the weight off. It really does help me keep it off. And when you get my age or anywhere near this age, it is almost impossible to lose 15, 20 pounds, right? Gotta damn near kill yourself. So, that's the other question. Here's another really good one. Okay. First of all, what park are we at? What? Right. Okay. I'll get the name of it for you later, but it's really, really nice here. I love the skate park here. They got a nice little area for the kids too, all the little swings and stuff like that. They even have a little water area, which is pretty cool, but it's nice out here. All right, last one for today, hair. OMG on the hair, right? All right, so if you have seen or go back and check out my intro video, the one that's pinned to the top of my page, my channel, you'll see my graduation picture, college grad that is, and you'll notice I had a perm, or at least you'll probably pay attention to the fact that it was straightened hair, longer, and that was my last official perm. Last one, 2015, yeah, pretty sure. Yeah, last one, 2015. That was the last official perm. You know, of course you gotta wait for the whole natural hair growth, that type of thing, it to grow out. It does grow out. You keep trimming, cut before you know it. And again, not applying that perm, no creamy crack. It does grow out. It takes a while. It took me about a year to be fully natural. Again, cut. So anyway, check out that video. Again, last official perm. Again, took me about a year, grow it out, all natural. And I would say never ever had I ever done a full-on chop. 2021, I officially took it all off. All those years of growth in the trash. So color, that's the other one. In the top, I had the bright red. Okay, it's called bright red, and that one was with Wella. What was the other one? On the sides, which is so time right now, it's so time for it to be redone, was the cinnamon. Again, Wella. Cinnamon, Wella. That's the brand. Color is cinnamon. Brand, Wella. So those are the two for my official full chop. That's what I used. That was the color. So all of you that keep asking. So that was the color. Official chop. It was official. All of it off. All of it in the trash. Gone. All those years, decades, okay, half a century of growth, gone bye-bye. But that was okay. Was I scared to cut it all off? Yes, I was. You have your moment of fear, but at the same time, you tell yourself, look, there's a true benefit. I'm gonna have less work. You know, I want to do something new. That was truly my motivation. Doing something new. Something I have absolutely never done before. Cut it all off. That's what I did. I cut it all off. So that was my motivation. That helped me with when it came to the fear. I had to put the fear to the side, go with the pros, if you will. And I made the decision. I was solid with it. And so I did it. Yes, you will have the second thoughts. Okay, they'll keep flooding in because you can't just put it back. Okay, it's going to take years to grow. I had all that. I discussed it. Amongst myself. Yes, and still I went with it. So it is done, it is off, and it'll come back if I let it. But for now, nah, I'm good. We're gonna work with it, right? So thank y'all for tuning in. I do appreciate you. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw out a couple little tidbits, because I definitely will have to do a follow-up. I have to. Okay, let me add this in real quick. So I did make that phone call because I wanted to set Mr. Man straight, my friend. I wanted to set him straight. Well, y'all, guess who answered the phone? Think about it. Give it some thought. If you saw part 1, you know who I'm talking about. Oh, but it gets very deep after that. Yeah, plot thickens. If you can recall, I did say that I was telling. So believe you me when I tell you, I'm telling. So stay tuned, it'll be a part 3, y'all. So y'all be sure to please leave your comments. Let me know, would you do a big chop? Have you already done the big chop? Is it official? Also, how you doing on your weight? Quarantine weight, just hanging around, won't let you go? Let me know. Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. And then for sure, you know, what's your skin routine? You know, you got a regimen, you know, something you doing? So instead of answering each of you individually, now you can watch the video and get answered all together. So there you have it. Again, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe, because it's for the culture, y'all. Thank you for tuning in, and until next weekend, this is LLC with Ty. That be me. See you next weekend.